Today I'm going to share with you two words in Hebrew: serpent and the bronze serpent, or the brazen serpent. Okay, you remember in Genesis 3 verse 1 it talks about the serpent was more subtle than all the other beasts of the field. Well, the serpent was the snake, and the snake is Satan. So we're going to look at Numbers chapter 21, where it talks about the serpent and the bronze serpent. Amen. Let's dig in. This is Genesis 3:1. It says, "Now the serpent was more subtle than any beast of the field." I want you to pay attention to this number 5175. Now in Numbers chapter 21, we have the bronze snake. And it talks about up here the serpents that the Lord sent, 5175. And then it has here, Moses made a serpent of brass. We're going to look up both those words. Here's Strong's Hebrews 5175. Nachesh. Nun chet shin is how it's spelled. And it means serpent. And you come over to 5178. It says nakoshet. Right? And it means something made of metal, brazen. It's talking about the brazen serpent. Notice how it's right there along with Nachesh, which is serpent. So the spelling is what we're going to look at today. So it's spelled Nun Chet Shin. Amen. And Nun is a picture of the seed. But in essence, it's really a picture of a new Christian, or a Christian in general. And then Chet is a picture of the wall. A wall. Chet. And then you have Shin, which it means to eat or to consume or to destroy, but it's really a picture of El Shaddai, which is the all-consuming God. So Shin is a picture of God, really, because he is all-consuming. So when we put these together, the Nun, the Christian, is being separated by a wall to God. So the serpent, his job, the devil's role, is to separate the believer from God. He puts a wall up. You see, Satan's not worried about the sinner. He doesn't have to worry about accusing the brethren because the sinner isn't saved. So the devil's only interested in putting up a wall between you and God, trying to condemn you, trying to accuse you. But now let's check out the word for brazen serpent, nakashet. Amen. It's still spelled Nun Chet Shin, but the very last letter is a tav, nakashet. And the tav is a picture of the cross. So the brazen serpent is what saves. It's a picture of Jesus on the cross. That's why all paramedics have the pole with a brazen serpent around it. It's what saves. It's what heals. See, Sun Tzu knew this in the 5th century BC. He quoted in his book, "Know thy enemy and know thyself, and you will be victorious." Amen. So let's know who our enemy is, and let's know how to defeat it by the nakashet, by the cross. Amen. I hope that blessed you today. God bless you.